So we talked about leaf of life. Yes, this is leaf of life, and this one didn't get much water as it's been dry. We haven't had rain in probably about a month, and so, but did you know that leaf of life, like the leaf of life plant, that it can bloom? Look at it. Yep, it can blossom. It can blossom, and check it out. Yeah, this is the blossom for it. And yes, this is more at a latent stage of the leaf of life, when you allow it to grow all the way up. So yes, that is leaf of life blossom. And remember, we did a did you know feature on leaf of life. It's very good, and we showed you how you can resprout it. So like these leaves are great to resprout. So we just cut it off. I pick it off, and then we'll cut a knife all the way down. Cut it with a knife all the way down on the stem right there, long way. And then you just put it on a saucer with water and allow it to sprout. Give it a few days, keep adding water to the saucer and sprout it. And yes, we did a video on that. Check in the description section for this video. And yes, happy new year. Happy new year 2023. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.